Hiya, I'm Sam, I'm 36 and I've been playing drums on and off for about 25 years now. I initially picked up the sticks because I was bored, to be honest, and I got the opportunity to play. And since then, played here and there whenever I could. Just sort of whenever a kit was put in front of me, I decided to have a bit of a bash and see where it would go. After a while, I got to know a bit of the circuit and found that drummers were very much needed. There aren't enough around. So I took to playing a bit more seriously. Bands I currently play in are The Groaner, Cranial Separation and The Drowning, which are black and metal, death metal and death doom metal respectively. And been playing that kind of intensity, those kind of speeds, needs really good drumsticks. And that's where Collision come in. These sticks have been absolutely fantastic since I started using them. The response feels great in them. Even when I hit duff notes, it doesn't feel like I've just broken the stick every single time. And the ones I use for that extra power when playing at higher tempos, or for that extra bit of down tempo force, are the Collision 2Bs. Yeah, these have stood up to more punishment since I got them than pretty much any other stick I've used beforehand, and they've managed to last through it all pretty damn well. It's been great to play with them. Since joining into the Collision community, I've seen a huge roster of drummers who are looking to help each other, looking to connect, and it's been great to see everything that everybody is doing. It's been great to see the people who want to collab with each other, to people who want to learn from each other, and Collision is at the heart of that, and that's something amazing to see. It's also great for me, living in the UK and performing in the UK, to have a UK company who, in my hands, so to speak. Up next, here's a cut from a practice session whilst gearing up for a European tour later this year. I hope you enjoy.